Hi, I'm Aaron Lee. I'm majoring in electrical engineering at Saddleback College, and I'm currently interning at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory for spacecraft electronics. I wanted to pursue an internship through Saddleback College's program because it helps me stay on track. At the time that I started, I had just finished Physics 4B, which is electricity and magnetism. And my major is electrical engineering, and that class really piqued my interest for, okay, how are these ideas even used in the industry? And how do they make our world go around, right? So I went to the program looking for companies and ways I could use this knowledge that I've gained and apply it to the real world. This internship has definitely given me a clear understanding of what it would take to work at NASA and the space industry, really. And especially for an electrical engineer like myself, I'm definitely interested in the different applications of electrical engineering. This experience has helped me grow personally in a sense that I appreciate electrical engineering a lot more now, and all the work that goes into making simple things like your phone or a radio antenna or a walkie-talkie work. And professionally, I've definitely grown accustomed to easy networking on site at JPL and working with other interns and growing a sort of a community of NASA interns. It's been really fun. The most valuable part of my internship has definitely been taking what I've learned in my physics classes and seeing how all of that is incorporated into spacecraft technology. Seeing the entire process of taking this knowledge, going through, okay, how do we make it safe and usable, and how do we make it space ready to go on the spacecraft. My dream job would definitely be doing electrical engineering or work on spacecraft electronics for space exploration.